10 years from now, you're going to wish you started today. The question is, started what? Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because they never set clear goals. Today, I'm giving you 10 financial goals that separate people who build wealth from people who just stay busy. In this journey, it's essential to cultivate a mindset that values progress over perfection. Rather than focusing solely on immediate results, appreciate the small victories along the way as they contribute to your overall growth. Take a moment to recognize the improvements you've made, whether that's sticking to a budget or prioritizing savings goals. Each positive action reinforces your commitment and inspires you to keep moving forward. By celebrating these incremental changes, you foster resilience and create a supportive environment for your financial aspirations. As you navigate this path, remember that maintaining a balanced perspective is crucial. Consider the interplay between ambition and caution, pursuing financial goals with enthusiasm while also being mindful of potential risks. Allow yourself to dream big, but ground those dreams in realistic expectations that reflect your current financial situation. Each decision made in this light enhances your ability to adapt as challenges arise, reinforcing the sense of stability you strive for. Embrace this duality, knowing it empowers you to make informed choices that align with your values, fostering both growth and security in your journey. As you continue to evolve in your financial journey, make a habit of seeking out new resources that can enrich your knowledge base. Engage in webinars, podcasts, or books authored by financial experts. Each edition broadens your perspective and equips you with practical tools to implement in your life. Remember, personal finance isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Tailoring advice to suit your unique circumstances fosters confidence and enhances your decision-making abilities. With this newfound wisdom, you not only empower yourself but also create a ripple effect, encouraging others to pursue their financial enlightenment. Building a supportive community around learning and sharing financial insights fosters a culture of collaboration, further propelling everyone toward their goals. Each conversation and shared experience acts as a stepping stone, reminding you that you are not alone on this path. By embracing this lifelong commitment to growth, you celebrate not just your own achievements, but also contribute to a collective journey toward financial understanding and empowerment. Prioritize self-reflection as a key component of your financial journey, allowing you to assess not only your progress but also your emotional connection to your financial goals. Taking time to journal your experiences can provide insights into your motivations and any barriers you face. This deeper understanding is invaluable, as it allows you to cultivate a positive relationship with money, viewing it not just as a means to an end, but as a tool that supports your aspirations and nurtures your well-being. By integrating emotional awareness into your financial practices, you position yourself for long-lasting fulfillment and success, reinforcing the notion that financial stability is an integral part of a well-rounded, joyful life. As you create your financial roadmap, it's beneficial to include specific milestones along the way, as they serve as markers of achievement. These milestones can range from minor accomplishments, such as paying off a small debt, to major ones like buying your first home. By quantifying your objectives, you provide a clear path that clarifies your vision for the future, enabling you to celebrate each win as it arrives. Share these milestones with your support network, as their encouragement can amplify your sense of accomplishment and motivate you to maintain momentum. Remember, each milestone not only brings you closer to your ultimate goals, but also enriches your journey, allowing you to appreciate the strides you are making in pursuit of financial independence. Implementing practical strategies, such as visual progress trackers or reward systems, can further enhance your commitment to these goals. Celebrating each milestone fosters an environment of positivity, encouraging persistence and resilience as you navigate the complexities of personal finance. Each step forward solidifies your understanding that financial growth is a harmonious blend of intentional planning, dedication, and community support. As you reflect on your financial journey, it's crucial to acknowledge the importance of flexibility in your approach. Life is unpredictable, and your financial strategies must adapt to changing circumstances, such as unexpected expenses or new opportunities. This adaptability not only helps you overcome obstacles with grace, but also empowers you to seize moments when they arise, ensuring that your long-term goals remain within reach. Foster this dynamic mindset, which encourages you to pivot when necessary while keeping your core objectives in focus, ultimately allowing you to thrive amid fluctuations. Embrace change as a natural part of your financial evolution, reinforcing your ability to maintain a balanced approach to your aspirations. While working on your financial goals, prioritize building an emergency fund, which acts as a safety net during unforeseen circumstances. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved, providing you with peace of mind as you pursue larger ambitions. This fund ensures that sudden expenses won't derail your progress, allowing you to maintain focus on your long-term aspirations. Consider setting up automatic deposits into a high-yield savings account, which makes saving effortless and fosters a sense of financial security. By establishing this protective cushion, you empower yourself to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence, reinforcing the stability necessary for achieving your financial dreams. As you progress through your financial journey, take note of the importance of networking with financial professionals. Connecting with advisors who bring expertise and experience can provide tailored guidance relevant to your unique situation. Whether through formal consultations or informal discussions, these interactions can shed light on new opportunities and strategies you might not have considered. By fostering relationships with financial experts, you gain perspectives that can enhance your decision-making and keep you motivated. Additionally, consider joining online forums or local groups where individuals share successes and challenges, creating a collaborative atmosphere that encourages growth. Engaging with others not only reinforces your commitment, but also instills a sense of camaraderie, reminding you that together you can achieve financial literacy and independence. As you nurture your financial evolution, remember that each experience, whether successful or challenging, offers valuable lessons that shape your understanding. Recognize the power of resilience when you encounter roadblocks. These moments serve as catalysts for personal growth. When faced with setbacks, reflect on what they can teach you rather than viewing them as failures, as this perspective shift fosters a more profound connection to your objectives. Embrace the journey, knowing that every step forward, every lesson learned contributes to the tapestry of your financial success story. In doing so, you not only build a stronger foundation for yourself, but also demonstrate the power of perseverance to those around you. Embracing these lessons allows you to redefine your relationship with finances, transforming obstacles into opportunities for self-improvement. Each challenge encountered acts as a crucial reminder that the path to financial stability is not linear, but rather a dynamic process that requires adaptation and growth. As you integrate these insights, remain focused on maintaining a proactive mindset, continually adapting your strategies to align with life's fluctuations. Share your reflections not only with yourself, but also within your support network, as this communal approach strengthens bonds and fosters an environment ripe for collective learning. Together, you can celebrate not just the achievements, but also the wisdom gained from each experience, reinforcing the notion that personal finance is an empowering journey, shared with those who understand and uplift you. This collaboration encourages accountability, fostering an atmosphere where everyone involved thrives, ensuring that financial literacy becomes a lasting legacy for future generations. In recognizing the value of shared experiences, you contribute to a broader dialogue that enhances financial awareness, fostering a community dedicated to both personal and collective growth. As you engage with your financial community, share your achievements and learnings openly, inviting feedback and diverse perspectives. This dialogue enriches not only your personal journey, but also the experiences of others, promoting mutual growth and motivation. By fostering an environment where individuals encourage one another, you cultivate a robust support network that elevates everyone involved. Recognizing the interconnectedness of your financial aspirations with the aspirations of others fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose. In doing so, you not only shape your own financial destiny, but also contribute to a larger movement toward financial literacy and empowerment, enhancing the overall well-being of your community. As you continue to refine your financial strategies, remember to regularly seek opportunities for growth and improvement. Engage with various educational platforms or resources that can introduce you to innovative financial concepts and practices. Attend workshops or webinars that focus on new trends in finance, which can provide valuable insights and broaden your understanding of the ever-evolving financial landscape. This commitment to continuous learning is crucial, as it equips you with the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions that align with your aspirations. Ultimately, the greater your understanding, the more effectively you can navigate the complexities of your financial journey, turning obstacles into opportunities and reinforcing your path toward success and independence. Consider the impact of mentorship as you navigate your financial journey, as guidance from experienced individuals can illuminate pathways you might not have recognized. Seek out mentors who resonate with your values and aspirations, as they can provide invaluable advice and encouragement. Establishing a mentoring relationship fosters a sense of accountability, pushing you to take more decisive actions towards your financial goals. Through their insights and experiences, mentors can help you avoid common pitfalls, advancing your understanding of personal finance in ways that books and seminars often cannot. Embracing this dynamic relationship not only enhances your journey toward financial independence, but also reinforces the idea that learning is a lifelong pursuit, deeply enriched by the perspectives of those who have walked a similar path. Ultimately, by surrounding yourself with mentors, you cultivate an environment ripe for growth and transformation, empowering yourself to make informed decisions and take confident strides towards achieving your financial dreams. As you solidify your financial foundation, it's equally important to embrace the art of setting clear, actionable priorities. Identify which goals resonate most with your current life stage, whether that's saving for a home, bolstering your retirement fund, or paying off debts. Being selective about your focus allows you to channel your energy efficiently, maximizing the impact of your efforts. By creating this hierarchy of priorities, you can allocate resources effectively, ensuring your financial decisions align with what you value most. Regularly revisiting these priorities ensures they remain relevant, adapting to the changes and transitions life inevitably brings, allowing you to stay committed to your financial objectives with clarity and purpose. As you navigate these priorities, consider implementing regular check-ins to evaluate your financial standing and assess how your goals align with your evolving situation. Establishing a routine for reflection can unveil insights into your progress and highlight areas needing adjustments. This proactive approach reinforces your commitment to achieving financial success while maintaining a clear vision of your aspirations. Each reflection serves as a stepping stone toward greater financial clarity and empowerment. In conclusion, your financial journey, filled with lessons, triumphs, and setbacks, ultimately shapes not just your financial stability, but also your personal growth. Embrace the collective wisdom, nurturing both your ambitions and those of others, to cultivate a community where financial enlightenment thrives, guiding all toward a secure and fulfilling future. Subscribe and join us as we help you build wealth and enjoy a better and bigger life.